Hello lovelies. So I'm really sorry it's taken me so long to get this video up. It's been just one of those weeks where, you know, the days just get away from you. It's been one of those. Today's Friday and it's the first video I've had up this week, and we're only just now drawing the prize for our winner. But it does take a while to go through your YouTube subscribers if you like me wanted to check that the people that commented. And anyway, so I have the names of everyone that commented and was a subscriber in here. And oh yes, starting first off, everyone guessed correctly. The answer was Emma Watson. Where is my book? Here it is. Find it. Nope. Put that back here. This was the page in question, and this was my paper doll. And if you're just coming across this video, basically we did a giveaway, and I challenged everyone on my Instagram to guess who this celebrity was. It is indeed Emma Watson. Everybody that guessed correctly, so everybody went into the draw. Thankfully I put that stipulation in that if there was more than one person that guessed it right, we'd do a random draw. So everyone's names are in here, and I thought I'd show you what we're going to give away. So this is in no way sponsored or anything. This is all basically just random stuff that I tend to have doubles of. So we're starting with some mica powder from Colour Blast in Wisteria. I have about 3 of these.
You can't forget me.
Never forget you. We also have a Colour Blast shimmer pen. This is in gold, and I've got a few of these as well. We've got Distress Crayon Set 2. Again, doubles. A script stamp from Kaiser Craft. Some tiny alphas from Kaiser Craft. I love these things. And then last of all, we have a mask and stencil set from Dina Wakley. So altogether, this is what our prize winner is going to get. So I thought it was a good little place to start for a nice little challenge. And seeing as it was a mixed media challenge, I thought I'd stick with mixed media things. And yeah, so let me know if you're happy with this one. And I think maybe we might do this challenge again. I might make it not so easy next time. So, alright. Without further ado, you want to make yourself useful? Pull out a name for me. No looking, close your eyes. Alright, pull out a name. Just one. Alright. Want me to read it? Lauren! Can you see? There we go. So, I've written literally what was on the, I know exactly who this is, but I wrote exactly what was on the Instagram tag, so I will send you a message, lovely, and hit me up with your address, and I'll ship off your awesome prize to you. So, thank you very much for taking part in my first little giveaway. I did also say when I got to 2,000 subscribers, we do a big giveaway, and I've had this ready for a while. This is full of some goodies that I've put together, again, things that I have doubles of, and this awesome little pouch that I had, and I've never really used. It was, what's that company? Kiki K, I think? Yeah, anyway, I got some cool stuff in here, but I've just never used it. So this is full of stuff that, yeah, when we get to 2,000 subscribers, we're going to give away. So I thought we'd start with a little giveaway and a bit of a challenge to see if, you know, I have all the particulars right. So that's going to be it from us for today. We have our winner, and I will message you over on Instagram, lovely. And yeah, I hope you all had fun with our little challenge. But what?
Go subscribe to my channel as well.
Are you really trying to poach some of my subscribers to your channel?
Yeah, boy.
Will is a soccer nut, and he has his own little channel. He's trying to give himself a little plug there. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll be back real soon with a new video. I will be putting videos up this weekend, I promise. It's just been, yeah, pretty hectic. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.
When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will do so.
Bye.